Got something special for y'all today. I'm gonna be doing a Swarovski crystal custom. We saw the cactus plant flea markets do it, so I gotta make it better. I'm gonna do it on Air Force One. Let's see how it turns out. First, I'm gonna prep the shoes for paint. We're gonna be using acetone and cotton balls to remove the factory finish. Alright, so I got these shoes wiped down, and now I'm going to tape them. I went ahead and pre-mixed a off-white color. It's like I did white, a little bit of brown, a little bit of gray, and a little bit of yellow. Let's put it in the airbrushing. Let's get going. So I just finished the first shoe. Really like the color. You can't really see it on camera, but it's kind of fire.
Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Now let's put some ice on these things. Alright, so I got the crystals right here. I literally had to go to a stone dealer to get these.
Two hours later.
Alright, I'm going to be using the E6000 glue, industrial grade. All the products that I use in this video will be in the description. I'll be using some simple tweezers to apply the crystals.
Hold on. I forgot to put in the crystals.
Let's go spray them outside real quick. Guys, this is taking a lot longer than expected, but I promise y'all it'll be worth it. If y'all want to try this at home, just make sure you're being patient with yourself. thank y'all for sticking with me to the end of the video. I appreciate that. If y'all have any more ideas, please comment below and subscribe. Thank y'all.